These cookies have no eggs. Absolutely none. And that's for a simple reason. I wasn't able to get eggs because of, well, egg shortage. Now, for some people, it wasn't really a big deal here, but in the States, I wasn't able to get new ones just when I ordered, because I order once a month or so for my groceries, and I didn't have them. If you go every day or a few times a week, whatever, you'll be able to find them, not a big deal. People that don't want to have eggs or cookies for whatever reason or want to try this out, this recipe is for you. The ingredients for this recipe are extremely simple. All you need is margarine, oil, sugar, water, salt, baking soda, flour, and cocoa. But that's technically not what I did. I substituted the cocoa for Nesquik. Instead of margarine, I used butter. Now that probably did make it so my end result did not end up like what I saw online. But I was really happy what I got, so doesn't really matter. I'm really happy what I got, and it was really easy. What you're seeing here is footage from my first cooking, or I guess baking live stream. It was a lot of fun, and I'm gonna be doing one of them every week. So come on, catch it live, or I'll be doing one of these videos of them each time where I just talk over. And you know, what we're seeing right now is we are creaming the butter with the oil and the sugar and 1 tablespoon of the water. We're gonna do that until it's light and fluffy. I'm not sure what this whisk is supposed to be used for, but the itty bitty baby one is really cute. I like using it. And all I'm doing here is mixing this up. And mix. And now we need to add a remaining 2 tablespoons of water and then continue to mix or beat it in or whatever. Just keep mixing it. It should get to a smooth consistency. I mean, that's what it did for me. It worked fine. And now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and do the dry stuff, which includes flour, baking soda, salt, and Nesquik or cocoa. But I went with Nesquik for this, so, well, Nesquik. Now, all you gotta do is just, measure out the stuff, put it in a single bowl. Now, you probably want a proper mixing bowl. I just used what I had. Don't worry, just get all the stuff in there and just mix it up. Even just fork is fine. It's no big deal, no big deal at all. And once that is mixed up, we're going to be able to just mix stuff together, simple stuff. Real simple. All the mixing. A little messy there. There we go. Now let's go put it in there. Oh, mixy. Awesome. You just gotta mix them together bit by bit. You don't want to put too much in at once. You want to just put a little bit, add a little more. It's really simple. Don't think too hard about it. Just keep mixing, adding. And this is my time to remind you guys, even though there's not any eggs, do not eat this. There is flour. You can get sick from the flour. It's actually riskier to eat the flour than eggs. You can eat E. coli from flour, raw flour. Cooked flour, fine, but this would be raw flour, so... Okay, no, I did eat some of this later, but I don't really suggest it. Because you can get sick, but I think I ate a piece there, but either way, don't do it. You can get E. coli. It's one of the easier ways to do that, but don't worry about it now. Anyways, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pack this all up and put it in the fridge. Now we need to let that sit in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. I can't remember the reason. It gets easier to place down. Either way, 30 minutes to an hour. We're only waiting half an hour, and while we wait for that, we're gonna grease up this pan. Yes, a baking sheet would be better. It works. Use whatever you got that works. And then we're gonna get this and start plating it. Just kind of get a spoon or something and just make little balls. The recipe calls for being able to do 24 of these. I didn't quite end up actually doing 2 different batches. It's real simple. Whatever you do, spoon, whatever. You can get these special like cookie things. Whatever you want to do. Just do it. Put them down there. It's not really complicated. Very satisfying though, very satisfying. But you're gonna get different size cookies, so if you're worried about that, I guess just make them the same size. I don't know. It's really up to you. But yep, here we got all these here. So boop. And we're gonna go ahead and put this into the oven. 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. That's all I need. And then we're gonna let it sit on the cooking sheet for 5 minutes. Continue to cook a little bit. Don't remove it. Just 5 minutes. Then you can remove afterwards. But until then, just let it go. Now we're gonna shake it to get a little loose. A little trick there. Yeah, it seemed to work pretty well with my greased and nonstick pan. We're just gonna go ahead and start plating the cookies. Or we'll try one first. Look at this. Oh, it looks so tasty. Now, the best way to describe what these taste like is they're basically chocolate sugar cookies. They're really, really good. Honestly, I'm a big fan of these. Definitely make them again. They're maybe not as chocolatey the way I made it, as you would think, but like, just think of sugar cookies and chocolate. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And there we go. We got the first batch plated. But you might have noticed there is enough to make some more cookies. So we're going to do a whole nother batch here. And while we're making this batch though, you know, like, why don't you eat your cookies? Don't eat it, guys. Do not eat this cookie dough, the flour. Don't eat raw cookie dough. Not really because of the eggs, but honestly, the raw flour, again, you get E. coli from that. E. coli? Oh, so you can get it from raw flour. So don't eat raw flour. No, it looks tasty. It tastes, I ate some. It tastes good. Either way, let's go ahead and just try these out. A nice plate here of cookies. Again, there is the other batch just cooking right now. We're not going to show that. I made 2 batches. There's no reason to show both. Anyways, we got milk and cookies. Perfect combo. And these again taste like chocolatey sugar cookies. Really good. Pretty easy to make. And I didn't really find any fault in them. They're quick. You could keep pumping it more. The bake time's, what, 10 minutes? It's really easy. I don't know how much more to say that. They have the right amount of chewiness, but not too much. They're good. Also, chocolate milk with them, of course, with Nesquik. If I had to rate these cookies on a scale to, I'm not gonna rate the cookies. Go try it out yourself, honestly. They're probably ingredients you already have. Maybe you don't have cocoa powder or Nesquik. If not, okay, go get some Nesquik. Come on, it's good. Get yourself some Nesquik. Make some chocolate milk. Just go nom nom nom. I did later have these with my tea, because I do tea streams twice a week, every Friday and Sunday. And that was really good pairing with the tea. And again, this is also my first cooking stream, and it was really, really fun. And this is my first time at making a video out of it. It was a lot more work than I thought it would be, but hey, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please smash that subscriber button, and I'll continue doing more of these. I'll see you guys around.